US market update, October 28. And looking at the SPY chart, here is Monday's price action, and we can see that is an inside day after a fairly bullish day under close of last week. We can see that we're still a little below the 50-day moving average, and certainly the bulls will be looking to reclaim that 50-day and perhaps return up to around the 202, the all-time highs, as a target. Certainly, if we can reclaim that and we can start moving in that direction, we'd be very bullish on the SPY if we can clear the 50-day and start moving upwards. Of course, if there is a breakdown of any sort, we do be wanting to make sure that we're staying above this level here, the 94.50 level. Consolidation here will not be a bearish thing, but to break down below that, that could spell the end of this rally. Over to the diamonds, and we can see here that we closed slightly higher. Perhaps we're still going to be finding some resistance at the 50-day. I'd be looking for a little further movement over the next couple of days, but remember, we do have some reporting over the Tuesday, Wednesday, and we've got the Fed coming up, so could be the calm before the proverbial storm, depending on what happens with the next couple of days of reporting. Okay, the Nasdaq's Qs, we can see we've closed for a second day above the 50-day moving average. We're back into a fairly bullish phase, I would say, just now, and looking for a continued move upwards. Once again, we do have potential volatility coming up with the reports in the Fed, but looks like we're in a bullish phase once again for the Qs. The IWM Russell is consolidating at this point here, sort of gyrating around 110. So let's look at that as a consolidation pattern with the potential to move in either direction. But if you're looking at the rest of the market, we could say that the bias is towards moving up and challenging that 50-day moving average. Over to gold, and perhaps the gold is going to roll over. We can see here that we've had an inside day followed by a break of the low of the inside. Not a lot of volatility there. However, the bias, we must say at the moment, is towards a slightly more bearish outlook. Could be consolidation, but a little bit more of a breakdown there could see us testing this 114 mark. Thanks for watching. See you next update.